I'll take you on the inside of the coach. And this is a step that pops out initially when you open the door. And there's a U-shaped dinette, which can also sleep one adult or two children. This table just pops off and slides under, and you put the pads down and lays flat for sleeping. There's plenty of storage underneath the benches. And then more storage over here is a nice sized pantry. And then your clothes closet, or everything closet, and quite a bit of storage that way. And then around to the queen size bed. It's a full size, queen size, and you can walk around the bed, which is really nice. Makes it really easy to make the bed, and just very nice that way. You watch your LED television straight from the bed. We include the fan here, which is a nice little item to keep the air movement, especially when it's warm. And then bathroom, full-size bathroom with a sink and toilet and a good-sized shower and plenty of room. I'm 5 foot, almost 5'10", and there's plenty of room for somebody 6'2", or whatever. And standard shower fittings. And there's also the actual house filter is located underneath the sink, and it's a full size. You can put a nice carbon activated filter in there. Filters all the water, so you don't have to hang a filter off of the outside the coach like many other units. And we've got a good size refrigerator freezer. You got everything in here. You got plenty of room for your vegetables and your beers and whatever you like. This is the control unit for sliding out the slide out. The generator is a 3600 watt Awning generator that you can start from here. And that runs off of propane, which is really nice, much better than gasoline. You don't have to worry about the carburetor clogging up and that kind of such. This also controls all the lighting in the unit. Then you've got your sink, which has a nice handy cover for when you're preparing meals and then afterwards washing the dishes up. Also, for added preparation, there's a additional extension off of the counter. And then you've got a 3-burner stove. This is you can use for prep, obviously, but when you're ready to cook, just fold it back and then start her up. So then it runs off of the propane. More storage underneath the stove, the sink. And above. And of course, microwave. Okay, and then on toward the front of the coach, we've got 2 swivel seats. I've got one of them swiveled around already with a nice pop-up table. And then above, you've got a full-size bunk. You can sleep easily 1 adult up here, probably 2 if you have to, 2 kids. So you could get upwards to 6 people in here. And then we've got the cargo net. If you wanted to use this for storage on your way, which we used a lot, You just simply pop this down, move the ladder over, and then climb up. Additionally, there's a large screen LED TV that just swivels right on out. And you can swivel it to whatever angle you want, generally over here, generally sitting over on this side of the coach. Okay. And the air conditioning unit is located on the roof, 13.5 BTUs.